And time now, race number 10. And race on from the outside, Black Label. Go, Snake Go, running by the roll. Baby Dugo, Wild Storm, Sari, Sharp Cookie, Red Hot Water, Magic Machine, second last, and Flying Hope is the early trailer. Black Label by about 3 lengths. Go, Snake Go in second. Wild Storm racing in third by the roll. Sari, Ninang Mill, Sharp Cookie racing in 6th, 7th, Red Hot Water, Magic Machine, Baby Dugo, and Flying Up still the tail ender. And rounding the far turn, Black Label. Go, Snake Go to grab the lead. It's now go, Snake Go by about 2 lengths, followed by Black Label, Wild Storm, and with the last 300 meters more to run, go, Snake Go by about 3 lengths, followed by Wild Storm in second, and racing on the outside is Baby Dugo to grab the lead. It's now Baby Dugo by about 3 lengths, and finally Baby Dugo, Wild Storm, Sari, Sharp Cookie, Go, Snake Go, Flying Hope, Black Label, Red Hot Water, Magic Machine, and Ninang Mill.